other side of the bowl or the same spot as this?
On top of the other food is okay. You know, this is a video I'm doing. He's 8 weeks old now. He's like 8 months old. How you've grown. No, don't do that. Look at. Get your num-nums. It's hard to get him and the tail in the picture because he's so big now. DJ, no.
Oh, I don't think that's on the counter. You know that. No. That's not how it works. That's right. You need to get down. You need to get down. It needs to be recycled.